Alright, we are moving on with our last round, that is the 30-second challenge, and this time it is ping pong balls. Okay? Don basket dista.
Hey.
Okay? Which one is your color? There are two colors, yellow and green. There are two colors. One color,
I'll take the yellow.
yellow,
Green.
Okay? So you have to aim it and then go for it.
I have to take only yellow. Right?
Yellow.
And I can put it in only...
No, only yours. Yours is that one.
Okay.
Ready? 30 seconds.
Yes.
And your time starts now. Come on.
This one bad. Yes! One! Two.
Now is.
Yeah?
You said you wouldn't make it, man.
No!
Yeah.
2, 3.
Oi.
Oh shit.
All right.
Okay, I got 3.
Okay. All right. Let me count now.
What on earth?
All right. And the ping pong ball challenge is won by Ageema, and she has this 4 yellow balls. Yellow ping pong balls. All right. And एक त्याने आपल्या डॅडीक दिला yellow color. So this one, Ageema, you win.
Thank you.
All right. Okay. आणि तुवें एक गायलो but मातसो राउंड जाला आनी सगळं पडलो. But good try. All right. Well played. म्हजे तिनूय राउंड 30 सेकंड्साचे तुम्ही बरी घेवले आणि विनर इज Ageema.
Thank you.
तुका मातसो हेल्प केला ताणें एक